Assalamu alaikum. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Mama. Okay, let's go. Let's get ready. Are you ready to color?
Yeah.
What do we have to color today? Hmm?
Amu.
A moon and what? What else? A moon?
This
A moon and clouds?
cloud.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What color you want? You have a yellow color already? What color's in your hand?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay, I'm gonna do yellow too, okay?
Yeah.
Let's get ready, okay?
Yellow.
Yes. So how do you start? Ready? Say Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Okay, let's go. Color the moon. This one. Oh, you color yellow clouds. I'm gonna color the moon here, okay? Now let me get you on blue. Hold on. Let me know when you're ready. You ready now? Blue? You want me to get blue? Let me get you blue. Blue for the clouds, right here. Look, same thing like yours. Look. Like mine, same like yours. See? Why not?
Good too.
Yours is great. Say, Mashallah.
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 Woo!
Woo!
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Keep going, keep going. Let's go. Alright, you're losing focus. Let's go, let's go. Continue. Continue. Let's go, let's go. You finished that one, no?
I didn't finish.
Oh, you're coloring the moon blue too?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it.
I'm done.
I'm done. It's looking beautiful. Here, let me put the lid on it. Sweet. So what color did you color yours? What color did you color it?
I got blue.
Blue and then a yellow cloud? How about mine? What color is mine?
This is blue and this is green.
Yellow
Yellow
and gray.
and gray.
And he's sleeping. See, those are Z, like snoring. How do you snore? Like.
Yeah!
And he's wake up, Baba. How's yours? You're just sleeping? Let me hear. Wake up, Mama, wake up. Okay, wake up. You're awake?
Yeah.
Okay, so next time we could draw another one, coloring something else, okay? Inshallah. Subscribe, hit the like button,
Like button.
and share the video.
Share the video.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Peace be upon you.
Pray upon